how to scan documents on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your files. It will look like this. Now it will lead you here directly to your iCloud Drive. So just go here to browse, and on the upper right you'll see three dots there. Tap on three dots and tap on scan documents. Now here on scan documents, it will automatically lead you to the back camera. So next thing that you want to do is to just position the document that you want to scan. Let's say this one. Now it will automatically save, right? Now let's say you want to actually create a lot. Let's say you want to create a lot of scans for one document. Then for the second page, you can scan the second page here. Then it will look like this. And now if you're ready, what you can do is to tap on save here on the upper right. Here you have to rename the file, and then tap on done here. And just wait for it to load. And here you have to go to your iCloud Drive or to the location where you saved it. And if you tap on here, you can now see the documents that you scanned. And basically that's how you scan documents on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.